Good afternoon. Welcome to Vinnie's Repairs. So basically I want to change this gear knob today. We have a brand new one with a funky dash. I've started doing it already and then I'm going to record it, so I've half done the job. But basically you pop this cap off. I just used a screwdriver, flat blade, and then you get a T30 bolt. But I've just got a star key, so basically take that out, keep it somewhere safe, and reuse that. And then you pull this off, and then there's a spring, so you want to keep the spring, and then you give this a tug. Basically you can use the proper tools if you've got them. But I've scraped this out with my screwdriver. Careful you don't knock the lugs or damage the lugs, because you're going to need them. Now this is a genuine part, a genuine VW part. I bought one that's custom made. It's not as good quality. I should just keep this one really, which I might do because I have seen a few faults with it. I like the pattern on this. I'm just going to re-stitch this myself to a different colour. It's better quality here. I like the feel of that. Whereas this one is obviously a lot cheaply made. And they've done the lines the wrong way around rather than that way. Because what you want to do is align this part down the stem here and realign it there. So before I put it back on place, I'm just gonna put my foot down on the clutch. And check. What I would do if I didn't have a broken bloody foot. Right. Check it goes into gear okay. Fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carefully assemble it back together. I'm going to take this hook off here. Carefully put it on this one. This is going to be the top bit, so I want to gently put this on here. And make sure that pulls up nice. This is where I should be checking it, the clutch, to be honest. You want to check that you can go into reverse. As you can see, that works fine. So I got that correct. Then you replace it with your bolt. I'm going to put this in after because I can't really do it the best one-handed. Just going to put this on. I'm just going to hold it here just so it's nice and tight. It's not going to come off when I'm going down the road. I'm going to double check that, to be honest. If you do what I do and use a different attachment for my screwdriver, it's not the correct one for this. This is a T30, I don't have one to hand. But if you deadhead this one, you just have to buy another screw. And then this is Simple Sally. Just put this on here. She says. It's not a genuine part, so it's not what's going to fit flush. Yeah, putting it on there. And I want to just get this straight and level so it looks at least neat. just leveling it up while it's still there. Although the guy who made my knob has not put the VW straight, that's going to bother me for the rest of my life. Brilliant. Got a new gear knob. See, girls can do it too.